Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about Jaggy distorted edges. So something here like this here. Okay, so so you trimmed something and the mesh looks like this here. Oh my God, my edges are so jaggy and yeah, how can I fix this? And so the first thing is you have to decide for what you need your mesh. So if you need it for 3D printing, then this mesh is complete fine. When you need it for rendering or other things like maybe animation, or you have to remesh or fix this thing here. And one thing you have to know, when you trim or boolean something, the edges are razor sharp edges, but the shading is not nice. So here when you check your mesh and turn the wireframe on and you check your edge, you see here the trim line is a clean straight line. But here are only such shading artifacts. So, and it looks like the mesh is not clean. So here in the settings here, you see a smooth shading setting here. You can set it to no. And I turn the wireframe off. And you see now the edge is clean and sharp. There are no distortions or jaggy things. So it's a clean trim. So I use now again the trim tool, and here, check here, this thing is here now on Boolean. So when you trim here, you see here razor sharp edges and no jagginess at all. But when you turn on smooth shading, it looks like this. So for 3D printing, this is okay. For rendering, not. So yeah. And Nomad Sculpt, there is no setting to change this shading thing here on the edges. So the only thing here is here in the debug settings here, you see here angel weighted smooth normals, this checkbox here, and you see something changes here when you use this checkbox, but nothing more. So there's no slider you can control this. And okay, so one thing you can do here is I like the mesh, and turn smooth shading off for this mesh and leave it as it is. And the other thing is you can try something with remesh. So first I clone this mesh. So I make a clone so we can compare the whole thing. And now I use here the voxel remesher, and it looks better. But if you look close, so you see also here such jaggy edges here. And here when you use no, you see here this is really jaggy after the remesh. So this is before, or this is before the remesh, and this is after the remesh. So voxel remesh without here. So here keep sharp edges. We can try to remesh with sharp edges. So use this checkbox and try a remesh. So it looks like this now, but with smooth shading we have the same problem as before. So also the jaggy edges in rendering. Okay, so what can we do? So I set the resolution really high, so like this, and remesh. So now the poly count is, yeah, where is my poly count? We have 3 million vertices now. And yeah. Not the best thing. And the next thing is here we can try multi-resolution. So here what happens with subdivision. So I turn the wireframe on and you can use here subdivide. Sorry, I have to deselect this option. So when you subdivide, this happens. So it gets a little bit smoother, but also jaggy. Okay, no solution so long. Okay. What I do is I use here the voxel remesher. Remesh the whole thing. So first I do a sharp border subdivision. So I smooth the whole surface a little bit like this. And then I voxel remesh the whole thing. So let's turn on smooth shading, see what we get. And now I use the operations menu. So here I smooth it a little bit. So let's go closer. Let's see what happens. So now the edge is a little bit smoother here. And now here you find in the MISC menu, here are the settings. So geometry 50% and so there's nothing else selected at the moment. So I don't care about the face groups at the moment. So yeah, if you want smooth edges, don't care about the face groups. Okay, so now I decimate the whole thing. And let's see what happens at the edges. So you see here when you go back and forth with the undo, you see here your mesh becomes like this here. And so wireframe off. And here, so smooth shading on off like this. And let's try a little bit smoothing maybe, or relaxing. Yeah. And let's check this mesh here. What happens when you use the quad remesher? So first I check the face groups, and now I try a quad remesh. So face groups, hard edge, and so let's see what happens. So this is with a quad remeshed mesh. So I turn the wireframe off, and you see here the shading is also not very nice. So for this here, with smooth shading on off. Yeah. So that's it about the jaggy edges. It's not easy decision. So here also for this mesh here, you can also try again with a multi-resolution and subdivided ones. So it also helps. So then wireframe is off, and you see here now a smoother result, and maybe I subdivide it again. No, it doesn't fix the problem. Yeah, that's it for this video. Maybe it helps a little bit to understand the topology and the jagginess on the edges. Yeah, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.